Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. Here we're going to look at some strategies for creating a positive learning environment. The first step, and most important step, is to create a safe environment for all students. No child should have to come to school and feel unsafe. This relates to bullying and overall school safety plans. Another important step towards building a positive environment is to have engaging lesson plans. All students deserve appropriate, challenging, and achievable work. All students and teachers should respect each other and themselves. Respect is of the utmost importance. As a teacher, don't allow your students to disrespect anyone in the classroom. The teacher-student relationship is arguably the most important component of academic success. Teachers need to get to know their students beyond academics and schoolwork. Trust and honesty go along with forming strong relationships with your students. Be honest and straightforward in giving feedback to your students. Positive learning environments revolve around supports. Teachers are in a great position to help support their students academically, socially, emotionally, and in many other ways. When decorating your classroom, consider the student's interest and background. The classroom belongs to the students just as much as it belongs to the teacher. Being a good communicator is one of the most important skills a teacher can possess. Teachers must clearly explain the rules of the classroom and objectives of the lesson. Positive classroom environments thrive on positive praise. Some students don't receive any positive praise at home. Positive praise can make a big difference in that child's life. Conflict resolution and its strategies are essential. The two parties in a conflict must come to an agreement. Now, just as negativity is contagious, so is positivity. Smile a lot in the classroom if you're a teacher. Believe me, it goes a long way. High expectations for classroom learning will not only increase academic outcomes, it will also increase your students' self-esteem and overall confidence. Young students crave discipline. Oftentimes, they don't get discipline at home. Enforcing the rules and expectations creates an orderly and fair learning environment. Teachers should do their best to get to know their students and learn about their students. Know a student's favorite TV show, sport, or their birthdays. And learning about your students leads to the next strategy, which is to use a personalized learning model. Personalized learning environments are used to create customized lesson planning. All teachers should offer extra help hours if their students are willing to show up, by showing that you care about your students and that you haven't given up on them. Making positive parent phone calls can have a tremendous impact on a family. And it's really something special. It's really positive. And lastly, social and emotional learning is about teaching students to understand and manage their emotions in a positive way. Teachers should at least be aware of social emotional learning strategies in the classroom. Right now, I just want to say thank you for your time. These are some of my strategies for creating a positive learning environment. Feel free to add anything you can think of in the comments section below.